Hello viewers, welcome back to another video. Let me walk you through the trade I took on BTC. I think this is the second trade I'm taking on a BTC this week. Um, from the look of things, you can see that BTC is an uptrend. Yes, BTC has been pushing to the upside, creating series of break of structures, creating series of break of structure. This is a break of structure here. This is a break of structure here to the upside. So BTC has been what bullish. So when market is bullish, we'll be looking for a buying opportunity. So it's just as simple as ABC. I map out the recent break of structure to the upside. I took this trade on the 5 minute time frame though. I took this trade on the 5 minute time frame. So I map out the what recent break of structure. So after mapping out the recent break of structure, I waited for price to tap into my order block. So immediately price gets there, I don't just jump in. I waited for my confirmation. So after getting my confirmation, you can see a beautiful you can see that it's a beautiful trade. The trade I placed my take profit at 1:3. So I don't want to be greedy. I just placed my take profit on at 1:3. So this is the beautiful trade I took on BTC, and I also posted this trade on my VIP signal group. On my VIP signal group. So if you want to join my VIP signal group, you want to be taking any trade I take, you can kindly send me a DM to be added to the group. So thank you for watching this video.